Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
We're going to go over the E84 error code because it's going to be the most important one if you do see it. Pretty much you're going to want to call a service technician to come out and look at your fridge because that's a compressor issue. It could be the compressor's not working fully or just stopped working altogether, but either way you're going to have a service tech come out, look at your fridge, and then help diagnose it from there. The E23 is going to be a condenser fan. They're really easy to check to see if it's working, everything's plugged in. All you have to do basically is just pull your fridge out, get to the back cavity. It's about 10 different Phillips screws in there. Just take it out. Something could be blocking it wedged in, causing that fan not to spin. That's what's going to give you that error code. Or if you're a handyman, they're very easy to fix. It takes 30 minutes, just 2 screws and a plug. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week for more information.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.